At the races, I didn't do that great with it. It was too fast, so I'm trying to get used to it. I like these little Verna props. I got to meet the guy, so that was fun. That's kind of cool. It's kind of neat.
It's terrific, right? I'm in heaven.
Anyways, we're gonna do some stupid stuff with it. A beautiful sunset. Let's go. I'm flying at like 50 degrees. Little mosquito. Also have a Speedy Bee. And 3, 2, 1. Today we're taking a look at a few flights with the Beta FPV Race 65 edition. So I wanted to get the Champion. Everyone said the Champion was great, but I had it in my cart and literally the day I wanted to buy it, they were sold out. So I went with the next model down. And honestly, I'm kind of glad that I did because the Champion has even higher KV. This has 30,000 kV. This has 702's 30,000 kV, and it's straight up, it's too fast for me. The interesting, I'm gonna go deeper into it in I'm kind of gonna do like a Tiny Whoop Masterclass updated version where we go through Can Whoop, a day of racing, and all the stuff that has changed that I've learned about Whoop. So I won't go too deep into this. Subscribe so that you get to see that. The truth is that like I just don't like 65 millimeters because I don't like flying indoors that much. The only time I do it is for like the races, but I don't enjoy freestyling in the house. And the moment I take it outdoor, the flight times are pretty short, as you'll see in this video. But I do want to kind of like get better at racing, so I should start flying this outside more. At the races, I learned some things. If you're considering getting one of these for outdoors, I really think that you should go with the Beta FPV Air 75-2. I believe the race edition is 25. It's bigger. You'll get at least a minute more flight time. You'll get the 802 motors that are a little bit smoother and easier to kind of control. With the 2500, I think that's like the perfect combo for a Whoop that's fun to fly kind of outdoors, indoors still too, but not just indoors and not like just racing. The Air 75 2 frame with the 25 millimeter, with the 2500 kV 802s. I think that's kind of like the sweet spot that I really enjoy flying, decent flight times, easier to control and everything. And if it's your first Whoop, consider the Meteor Pro 75 because it's just a tank and that you can just bash around a ton. The Airs are a lot more responsive, like a lot better, like really great control if you know how to fly, but sometimes it's nice to just have a tank that you can bash around. But yeah, in today's video, we're just flying a few little packs outdoors with the 65 Air. If you want to purchase any of those, you can just go in the description. I got a pile of the little affiliate links. You could go use the Beta FPV one. And yeah, that's my little recommendations for you. If you use the link, it helps me out a bit. And 3, 2, 1, arm. Okay. Let's see what we can do. And there goes the battery. How far can I get? Can I do the gas station? Ooh. Ooh. Oh, this stupid little thing's fun. And the battery is like dead. 333, 343. This little thing's fast. Little thing's actually pretty fun. And I do have to say this, I think that the Speedy Bee receiver is pretty good. Yeah. Flying behind me now. This little thing's fast. Ooh. My butt's sticking up. 1 minute flight times. So cute, so cute. The beeper's so gentle you can't hear it. Oh, I lose video. Over here it's better because it's in front of me. If I go down, is it better? Or if I go up, or if I look down? I feel like the model, like the thing. Ooh. Woo. Interesting. Familia. Oh, there's a building on penetrating the building. Oh. And the battery's done. Woo! Holy, the sunset looks so nice. It's cold though, it's actually cold. Pack number 3. 3, 2, 1, 1. Yeah, then I can sync it better. Dude, I can't trippy it. Come on, I can trippy spin. Let's go. I have too much angle. Like, it should be easier. Isn't it easier when you have more angle? I don't know. Maybe this pull. Woo, I'm doing it. I can do it. I can do it. And there goes the whole battery. Ooh, danger. And that was fun. Just a little bit of thoughts. I feel like I switched to the SpeedyBee receiver module thing, and the picture seems like it's not cutting out as much, but it feels like the DVR is darker. Have you experienced that at all? If you're using Sky Zones or whatever, and you've used the SpeedyBee module or an aftermarket one, does it seem like your DVR is darker than it used to be with the SpeedyBee receiver? I'm just curious. Also, I did a video with Avery, and I noticed that like the DVR on the box goggle looked nice and bright, and on my Sky Zones it's looking a bit darker. I'm just wondering if that's one of the things that happens. I think we're gonna go to the other side and do some dives. I want to practice like power looping through, like, you know, where you go past something and then you power loop back through it. 3, 2, 1. Yeah. See, I want to be able to kind of do these guys. Oh. Not like that. I want to be able to go through here and go around. Ooh. And I think, why'd that screw up my video? Come on. I want to be able to go like this, see that thing, and follow it. New. That was fun. The Lost Park. The Lost Park. I'm just gonna leave this in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Uh-oh, come on, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's do this. One from here over the top. What? Oh, what was that? I want to go around here. Ah, come on. I want it to be smooth. I want to do that move smoothly, where I just go, what? Oh, yeah, come on, let's do it. Let's do it. I want to do it. No, 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 come on, around. Yeah, kind of. Around. Kinda. Oh, come on. It's like I can go through here. I can go around the branches. We can do like a little... Oh! Okay, battery's dying. Don't want to walk of shame. Just want to do the little Star Wars trees. Oh, oh, oh no. Woo! I can't believe it comes back. I'm really impressed by the turtling capabilities of a 65. I would not think that I'd be able to turtle out of these situations, but I did.
I like turtles.
That was actually a fun little 5 packs. I don't like flying indoors, and I feel like this thing is too fast. I feel like it's too fast for indoors, but then outdoors, the battery just doesn't last long enough. Like my little case. It's just the right size for this tiny little thing. My in-laws, some live here. And look at that, just the beautiful sunset. You can harass people at the gas station. There's like a crazy kind of little like school like bando area over there. So you sit here on this bench and you fly on that side, and then after you turn around and there's this giant building and all these trees. I want to get better at, like, I guess, implementing, like I can do an Immelman. I can do an Immelman. But like, see this branch, the low branch? The low branch. I want to be able to kind of like Immelman through there. Or like power loop, like where you go past the branch, like this. And then you go around, you go up it, you go past it, and then you go up over and come back down the other side. You know what I mean? I want to get better at those. Or even here. We could do it here, where you kind of like, you know what I mean? It's kind of like a power loop, where it's like you see a branch, you pass it, and you come over it and through it. I want to get better at those. I think Bubby does it all the time. Or Bubby did a tutorial on it. And I need to get better, learn some more tricks. Ambulances, bad things happening to people all the time. Now I just gotta wait for someone to let me in. That was 40 floors. The elevator's fast. But like I was saying, at my house, I'll wait for people. Here there's like 3 elevators, so I just get in one and try and get away from people as fast as possible. Okay, we are here at Nana's house. Toodaloo.